So it's Sunday morning here in my Keto naturopath kitchen, and I'm making eggs Benedict. And I'm making a hollandaise sauce that's going to be dairy-free. Carl's going to have 2 egg yolk waffles. I'm having mine on focaccia and a whole egg bun that I made for burgers. And we're going to have one with smoked salmon. This is wild-caught sockeye salmon, and it says it's easy peel. So let's see. So we'll have a slice of salmon. Oh, it's got little plastic. And there's a slice of salmon. And our second one, we're going to have bacon. I made bacon yesterday. Oh, a piece came off. I have, the eggs are poaching in a really great poaching pan that I bought on Amazon. I love poached eggs, but I hate making them. And with this pan, they are so easy. So I'll post a link to the pan. So here are the poached eggs. And now I'm going to make the hollandaise sauce. It's very easy. It's a blender hollandaise sauce, and I'm making it dairy-free. I have 3 egg yolks in here and a tablespoon of lemon juice. And to that you add, well, first you blend up the egg yolk. After you clean off your hand, and you put in the melted, this is bacon grease. You can do butter, but I wanted dairy-free, so I'm adding bacon grease slowly. You have hollandaise sauce. A little bit of hot sauce, some Tabasco. It's the way we like it. And that's it. Eggs Benedict. I'll be back to taste it. So now it's time to taste. Oh, I love my eggs Benedict. So this is dairy-free, carnivore, ketovore, clean keto, and delicious. Great for any special morning.